Alright, so I'm here at the side of my Focus, and we're going to be replacing the windshield washer fluid pump. It's pretty easy to do, actually. What you're going to need to do is remove this inner part of your fender flare, and I use these little pry bars here from Harbor Freight, and they just pop these little pop tabs out. A bolt right there, and that's it. Right, so obviously it's a lot easier to do this if you take your tire off. I just did it this way because I felt like doing it this way. You're just gonna pop out your fender flare, and then if you look in there, you can see part of the pump, which is right there. You're gonna have to take that line off. You're gonna have to take the electrical connector off and then pull the pump out. Probably gonna pull the pump out first. It's gonna leak a little bit, but that's okay. So I just have water in there, no big deal. I stopped using the wiper fluid as this thing's been leaking. So, gonna need this grommet here. So here we have it. I just used the tip of that thing to pull up on the little tab at the top where the connector was, and that just came right off. Now I just have to pull this line off, put it on the new one. So put this thing on the new one, clip on, forget you gotta line these things up. Anyways, now provided we don't have an issue with this grommet, which initially I thought was the problem, everything should be okay. In fact, that actually feels really tight, so I don't think that this was our issue. However, if it continues to leak, it might be leaking out about there somewhere. So I'm just gonna plug this thing back in. Just like this. And that goes back in. Line goes right through here. You can see where it kind of clips back in. So there we go. And just to button this back up and try it out, just to add some wiper fluid in. See how it works. Works perfect. Plenty happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.